Alright guys, so here's audio on the Pixel 3 before the software update. I want to give you a sample of what it sounds like. I've heard that the phone got a software update and audio was fixed while I was at CES. And we're going to check it out, see how well it does, and see what the difference in audio quality is. So let's get the phone updated and I'll be back with another sample right after this. And here's some front-facing video as well. Just give you a quick sample. See how the audio is with the front-facing video too. Alright, here's the first test after the security patch update. It took it up to January. And then here's the test for the front camera with audio so you can see the difference. Now we'll go outside and check the rear. Alright, so here's the rear audio now. Let me know if you hear any difference in quality after the security update. The Pixel is always good to me. It's just that one issue that it had with the audio and then still the price. But this phone will drop in price just like every other device that hits the market. This is just a matter of time. It's a gloomy day out. CES was a little different this year. I didn't get that much footage, but I got some for you guys. So look for that in another video. But here's the audio test updated video after the security patch update and the bug fixes that Google promised. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.